Hello guys, I am Anand and today we will be talking about ISER aptitude test, new seat matrix, how many new seats in ISERs have been added this year. So let's start the video. So the first thing is in ISER Berhampur there is a much seat increase. Previous year it was 180. This year 120 seats are increased. So this is the biggest increase. Then ISER Bhopal, now it's 200 seats in BSMS degree. Then either Kolkata, you can have 280 seats available in BSMS program. Note that it's only for BSMS program. Then either Kolkata BSMS in computational data science, which is a new course where 30 seats are newly added. Then comes either TVM, where there is 320 seats. This is the highest number of BSMS seats available in ISERs, that is at ISER Thiruvananthapuram, where there are 320 seats. Because the thing is, there are different courses like uh, four subjects like math, physics, chemistry, biology, normal BSMS. Then again for those four subjects there is I square BSMS, so total 8 courses. Then another I square data science course, which is also a famous course among all the ISERs. Then comes either Pune, where there are 288 seats. Then either Tirupati, 350 seats, which is this year new seats are added. You have to note that this year either TVM has no seat increments, but either Tirupati now hiked to the highest number of seats in either's BSMS. Then either Mohali, there are 270 seats. Now we will be talking about BS programs and BTech programs, which is offered by first either Bhopal new BTech is launched, where there are 140 seats available. And then either Bhopal BS in economic sciences, which is a 4-year degree, there are 35 seats available. Then either Tirupati BS in economic and statistical sciences, where there are 50 seats available. So this is the whole seat matrix. Previous year it was around 1900, but this year 430 seats are increased. So now it's 2363 seats available. So there is much seat available this year. You don't have to worry, the counseling rank can go high or even can go low if something bad happens. You don't have to worry about. You can mail us for counseling support. We will obviously reach out to you. So in the comment section put down your rank and expected ISER. We will give you mentorship. So please subscribe the channel if you have not already and be with us. So let's goodbye for today.